What's going on, everyone? For today's video we are going to do an unboxing on these new fireMaple portable stove. This is the newest one that they have on their line. It's called the Mars Radiant Stove System. So it's pretty light. Let's go ahead and open the box and let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so once you open the box, you have the actual stove right here, and you also have your owner's manual. So we're not going to need that owner's manual. So let me go ahead and set this box aside. So yeah, so this is, once you open the box, this is going to be what's in it. So this is the actual stove with a carrying bag or pouch. It's like a net type bag, so it's pretty light. So it also comes with a soft textured, it's like a stove protector. I think it's like an insulated pot cover, so it's pretty soft. So that way, you know, when you have these thing boiling, you don't get burnt. So you can actually hold it right here, or you even have a handle. So what you do is you press this handle back here, flip it over. So it comes with a plastic lid, and it looks like it also comes with a bowl. So you can use this on anything, you know, whatever you're cooking on this pot. So you have this lid, you have a plastic bowl, comes with a box, and I think this is going to be the actual burner. Oh, look at this. So this feels really nice. So it feels solid. I think this one here is built in aluminum alloy. So it also have these extra pot stand, so you could actually use your own pot or whatever cooking pots you might have. So this is not the only thing that you can use this thing on, and it comes with this 3-leg stand right here. And again, you know, I'm liking it. It feels really light, but at the same time, it feels so solid. It's very well made. So you have your pressure regulator right here. It has their logo right there, fireMaple. So yeah, overall, it looks like it's a pretty good system. So while I'm doing this unboxing, I actually used this once for this weekend. So we went camping and I used this, and again, you know, I really like it, especially this burner right here. The only thing about these, it does not come with its built-in igniter, so you actually have to have a lighter to light this up. And this one right here, you can just use any propane or butane mix of your choice. There's a lot of them out there that you can actually use this on. So yeah, overall it looks pretty good. It is pretty light. So same thing as others. I think it's about a liter or a little bit over a liter of water that you can use this on. And like I say, you also have an extra pot stand. It actually allows you to use an alternative pot of your choice. So this is not the only one that you can use it on. So you actually have a stand right here where you can actually put a different stove. Cool. Okay, so today we're gonna run a test on this fireMaple Radiant system. So we're gonna check out to see how long it will take to boil a liter of water. All right, so let's give it a try. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Well, it's on. You just can't see it. And see how it actually turning red right now. That shit is turning red, so that's how quick it is to get hot. So let's go ahead and find out how soon it would actually boil a liter of water. Okay, so I pour about 1 liter of water. I think it's about 32 ounces. So we're gonna check out to see how fast and quick this one here would actually boil. Put a timer on. 3 minutes in, you could actually see there's a steam started to come out. So it looks like it's actually boiling now. So we're gonna go ahead and stop the clock. Alright, so I stopped it about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and that is actually boiling right now. So it took about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and see how that thing is glowing red. So that's pretty much hot. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Turn it off now. Perfect. So yeah, here it is. So it's about a liter of water. It took about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, so right now, as you can actually see, it's still blazing red. I'm giving it a try. As you can see, I have my fan here directly to the actual stove, and that's no problem. It's good. Overall, you can still see or feel the hotness of the stove, so it's not coming off or anything. As you can see, that's the fan, and the stove still flaming hot. But on pretty much number 4, the strongest it could be, putting it into a wind test. Okay, so we're gonna try to test it again, this time with the fan or wind directly pointed to the system, and see how it actually takes to boil a liter of water. Let's go ahead and set the timer. I start the clock. And this time I still have the fan pointed directly to the fireMaple. So we're gonna check out to see if it's gonna take longer to boil the liter of water with the wind hitting directly to the stove. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the clock. So right now, with high wind or fan directly hitting the stove, it took about 3 minutes and 32 seconds to put it into actual boil. So again, it took about 3 minutes and 32 seconds. So you can see it's still on, it's still flaming hot, while the fan is directly beating that stove. So there you go. So that's the fireMaple Mars Radiant system.